Kevin Sofen and Mike Mocerino here at the Darley Innovation section with robotics. Mike is the robotics manager here at Darley, and we've heard a lot about the robotics drone revolution here at Darley. Tell me about why drones are important in the fire service and how are they being integrated within the fire service?
Yeah, absolutely. Good question. Right now a lot of departments are using these for urban search and rescue, a lot of hazmat situations. We've seen a lot of press lately with the hoverfly system. New York has been deploying these at a lot of active scenes, a lot of different things going on there. It's just incredible technology. Airborne sensors in the air make more data-driven decisions as opposed to tactical-based decisions. So it's
and so are these things now being used today in the fire service? And who's
yeah, we have a lot of systems out. A lot more departments are starting to build their own UAV programs. Really from the ground up, from operating guidelines and procedures to selecting equipment. The FAA has eased up regulations, so now it's easier than ever to really get a drone program for your department.
So what are these different platforms here? I see the kind of small, medium, large. What's the difference?
So I mean, we work with a variety of manufacturers. Based on a department's needs, their resources, we can help them select the right equipment, whatever's going to fit in for them. So we have a lot of military technology, a lot of mil-spec. Nothing is firefighter proof, but it's firefighter resistant as possible.
Yeah.
We have tethered systems. We do a lot of work with FLIR, with the DJI models.
So when you say tether, what is tether and why is that advantageous to the fire service?
Tether is advantageous to the fire service because you're providing power from the ground to the aircraft. So you can stay up in the air for an unlimited amount of time.
Wow.
Yep.
So if you got power, you can stay up in the sky.
If you got power, you can stay up in the sky.
And then what about this one, the Instant-Eye?
The Instant-Eye, this is a mil-spec system. It was developed for U.S. Army Special Forces. It's been battle tested with the military. Easy transition over to our market, our industry. We've had a lot of success with it, and it's an all-weather system that's small, lightweight, easily deployable. You can fly this in rain, snow, extreme heat, extreme cold.
And does that I see this? What is this right here?
Yeah, this is thermal imaging. So,
okay.
So this system, I have 5 sensors on board. I have five different cameras, 3 fixed into the nose of the aircraft. I have a thermal imager here and a 4-time fixed zoom camera as well.
Wow, a lot of different camera options. And then what's controlling that? How are you using this particular platform?
So from this is a ground control station for the Instant-Eye platforms, a rugged, tough ground control station. Everything is clearly labeled. Our video comes to the screen here. We could pipe video out to a mobile command center, to another additional monitor. Everything's recorded to a DVR. So you're going to drop this, you're going to kick it around, it's going to get wet, and this can handle it.
Wow. So it seems like this is no longer pie in the sky. Departments are truly using this and integrating statements of procedures. And so if I was a department wanting to try and get a drone, what does that process look like, and how do I go about doing that?
You reach out to me. Mike Mocerino at Darley.com. We'd learn a little bit about you, what your day-to-day operations are, what you plan on using the UAV for. We'd help you select equipment. We'll help you with the operating procedures and guidelines. We work with a lot of different partners to help with certificate of authorization and Part 107 assistance. So from the ground up, we'd be really excited to work on a drone program with you.
Right on. So if you got drone questions, Mike Mocerino from Darley is your man, and thank you for your time today.
Thank you. Appreciate it.